Once an attribute has been defined, we can look at attribute association. This is the process of linking an attribute to an individual piece of equipment or to a whole class of equipment. Before we do so, let us first take a look at how the existing attributes have been associated in the default attribute schema. Open the PID configuration tool and select the Project 1 config, and then select the Associate Attributes tab. You can associate attributes at various levels: symbol, class, or specific type. Within the Class tab, there are three classes of P&ID items: equipment, such as pumps and tanks, inline, such as valves, and instrumentation. On the left are the known available attributes, and on the right are those that are already associated to the class. You can see the manufacturer attribute we defined earlier. For equipment, there are 7 attributes assigned, including pressure, rating, and weight. Inline components contain a similar range of mostly standard attributes, and instrumentation has only supplier. If we look at specific types, then we can also see additional attributes. For example, if we look at the vessels, then we can see volume, operating temp, and material. If we wanted to associate the manufacturer attribute we created earlier to the type vessel, we can do that here simply by adding it to the list. Once we press OK, we can check it by loading the reactor symbol we created earlier. This should work as it belongs to the vessel type. This completes the basic introduction tutorial for administration. You should now be familiar with the various tools at your disposal for extending the P&ID system. Furthermore, you should be able to define and add a symbol to the catalogue, create new attributes, and update the attribute associations.